Here now with a check of the forecast.
Because we've had some pretty cold weekends lately with wind chills below zero, but now temperatures are really on the mild side. Our normal daytime high, as I mentioned, is 31 degrees. We are well above that in many places. In fact, we have a 38-degree reading right now from Rob in Burbank. He has a partly cloudy sky, and currently it's 37 degrees when we check in with Laura. She's in Tinley Park, and she has partly cloudy skies. She says, bring on those mild temps, and we do plan to do that. And you know, maybe you were outside today enjoying that beautiful blue sky. Elton Isley sharing this today from 3:30 this afternoon in the Schaumburg area. So what we'll notice tonight is the breezy conditions. We will have a southwest wind stay with us. Those southwest winds keep pulling this mild air mass closer to us. We did hit 40 for a moment today. The record, though, in 1933 was 57 degrees. Winds are out of the south and southwest, drawing in that milder air mass. Winds are up to 21 miles per hour now in Waukegan. We have a 20-mile-per-hour wind sustained in DeKalb as well, so it's a little breezy, but look how that carried the temperature all the way to 42 currently in the Twin Cities. We have 45 right now in Des Moines. It's 33 in Detroit. Most places are above the freezing mark. We just have those scattered clouds coming through tonight, but I think tomorrow you're going to notice a big difference in the sky condition because we're going to see the clouds increase throughout the day. But the reason it's mild, we have a strong ridge of high pressure over the Gulf Coast states, and the winds around this high continue in a clockwise position, just drawing up that very mild air ahead of our next system. So when we look at Futurecast, here we go for Saturday morning. Some sunshine early, but watch what happens during lunchtime. We start increasing that deck from the south. The entire area is cloudy by 8 o'clock in the evening, but if you're going out in the evening, it's dry. It's just late at night after midnight when we could see some drizzle pop up. And then on Sunday, I expect to have fog around the area because we have that mild air coming over what's left of the snowpack, and that could generate some fog and spotty drizzle. But on Monday, that's our best chance for some good downpours during the early morning rush. This is 5 a.m. Monday as all of that heavier rain moves through. So Sunday, we spend the day on the mild side of the system, and then on Monday, we increase the rain chance because the low pressure center is getting close to us, but we're still on the mild side. I think temperatures could almost hit 50 in some places on Monday, and by the time the backside of this rolls in, the storm loses a lot of its energy before we have any chances to see any significant snow. So we watch snow Saturday over the western states, try to spread closer to us, but really gets hung up here just to the west of us. And we could see a foot of snow for the places in purple there around North Platte, heading into Minneapolis. We are on the mild side of it, though, so we are just talking some drizzle and fog on Sunday. Rain is likely on Monday, and after that front comes through, we drop to the 30s. But look what happens, Rob and Erica, late in the period. We rebound. Temperatures back close to 40.
Love to see the 40s, especially this time of year.
Right.
Thank you, Mary Kay. Cass, a good weekend ahead.
I washed my car a couple days ago because I couldn't open the trunk. It was salted shut. You know, when you're trying to lift it and it just won't go. It's so mild tonight. Our weather watchers have found some incredibly mild temperatures. We're actually milder than our normal daytime high of 31 at this late hour. It's 35 in Cedar Lake from Larry, and he has a mostly cloudy sky. But look at this picture that he sent to us, just showing us Cedar Lake, and these are the shelf ice areas at Beverly Shores. Just a dramatic sight there, as we still do have a lot of frozen spots around Chicagoland, but as we get into the 40s this weekend, we're going to have a lot of snow melt. Terry right now has 39 degrees in Genoa. His winds are at 11 miles per hour. Well, those winds have been out of the south all day and southwest, and we are holding at 40 at O'Hare. That's been our high temperature so far today. It's 42 in Ottawa, 36 in Valparaiso. Here's that wind flow out of the south and southwest. Winds are sustained at 16 miles per hour now at DeKalb, 20-mile-per-hour winds at O'Hare. Scattered clouds keep moving through, but what we're watching is this mild push of air from the south. We have high pressure over the Gulf Coast, winds coming around this high. That's what's sending us that south and southwest flow. The front to the west of us really doesn't have a lot of precipitation on it, but it's giving us that cloud deck. Let's put this into Futurecast now, the cloud deck. In the morning tomorrow, some sunshine. Look what happens at lunch. That thick cloud deck lifting up. By 7 o'clock, we're mostly cloudy. And then as we get into Sunday, scattered light showers and fog will be with us. And then Monday morning, that looks like the time when we could see some heavier downpours during the morning rush. This is 6:30 Monday morning. So we are going to be on the mild side of the system Sunday with some rain showers and fog around, but heavier rains on Monday. We're still in the warm sector, and it looks like the snow is going to be off to our west. The heaviest snow for this area in purple for parts of South Dakota into Minnesota, where 6 to 12 inches of snow are possible. For us, 30 degrees tonight, partly cloudy skies, breezy conditions. As we go through the weekend, we're finding the 40s. So tomorrow is dry, just turning cloudy. And then Sunday, some drizzle, some fog, better rain chance Monday. But you know what? Even after that front passes through, Rob and Erica, temperature's not so bad on the other side.
Love those January temperatures. Thanks, Mary Kay.